Imagine having a personal research assistant that can take any LinkedIn profile and instantly deliver a comprehensive report about that person and their company straight to your inbox. No more hours of manual research, cross referencing multiple sources, or piecing together fragments of information from different platforms. Today, I'm showing you the lead researcher and enricher, an AI agent that transforms a simple LinkedIn URL into a detailed intelligence report in minutes. This agent goes deep. It doesn't just scrape basic profile information. It enriches person data, researches their company extensively, analyzes market positioning, and delivers strategic insights you can actually use. The best part? Everything gets automatically formatted and emailed to you as a professional research report. This template is already built and ready to use. Click the link in the description to access it immediately or follow along as I walk you through exactly how this powerful workflow operates and what you need to do to make it work for you. Let me show you this agent in action first so you can see what we're working with. Click on the link in the description to land on this page. You can start interacting with the agent in real time over here on the right. To access the backend or the workflow, you just need to click on Use this template on the left, sign into TARS, and you'll get the workflow. You just need to customize it a little by giving it access to some tools and your inbox, and you're good to go. Let me open this agent in a new tab for the demo. I've customized this agent, and by that I mean I've added my inbox to this agent and I've given it access to tools for researching leads. Here it is. Let me test it with a real example. First, I need to paste the LinkedIn URL of someone I'm trying to research. So let me do that. Wow, look at that. From just a LinkedIn URL, it pulled comprehensive professional background, analyzed the person's company, identified market opportunities, and created strategic engagement recommendations. And it's about to email me this entire research report automatically. I'll say yes. Okay, so it said that it sent it. Let me check my inbox. Yep, I've received this email from myself. The title is pretty clear too, and when I open it, look at this. It's so neat and perfectly formatted. Now let's see the backend of this template. I'll show you how it works and how to connect your inbox and your tools to it. Here's the complete workflow. This is what you will see when you click on Use this template from the URL in the video description. Notice how elegant and simple this design is compared to typical research tools, and customizing it is really easy too. But first, let's have a quick overview of what we're looking at here. It is incredibly streamlined, just 4 main components that work together seamlessly. These components are called gambits, and they are the steps that make up the entire workflow. We start with URL input, move directly to comprehensive research, and then the automatic email delivery. This simplicity is deceptive though, because behind this clean workflow is sophisticated AI research capability. Let me walk you through each component. Here's the first gambit. Notice the strategic design choice here. Instead of collecting multiple data points, this one goes straight to the source. It simply asks for the LinkedIn profile URL of your lead. This direct approach is brilliant because LinkedIn profiles are information goldmines. From a single URL, the agent can extract everything it needs to start the comprehensive research. No complex forms, no multiple input fields, just paste and go. Now let's see the next step or the next gambit. Here is where the magic happens. This is an AI agent gambit, and we can control how the AI works by changing its base prompt and giving it tools. I'll talk about the tools in a bit, but first let's see the base prompt. The base prompt is a set of instructions that tell the agent how to behave. Let me show you what I mean. Look at this comprehensive prompt. It might look complicated, but actually it's pretty simple. The instructions define the AI as a comprehensive research analyst, and it has access to the People Data Labs API. The prompt is structured in 3 detailed steps that the AI should follow in its research methodology. Basically, it's about telling the AI how to use the tools it has to conduct research using the LinkedIn profile URL that is given by the user. Step 1 uses the tool to gather comprehensive individual details. It's not just basic profile data, it pulls professional accomplishments, publications, industry affiliations, and recent activities. Then, step 2 intelligently extracts the company name and researches it again by using a tool. This includes financial information, leadership analysis, market positioning, and the competitive landscape. Finally, step 3 combines everything into a structured and comprehensive report. Look at this output format. It is incredibly detailed and professional. Since I've made this agent, I've made the output format according to my requirements. If you want the format to be presented differently, all you need to do is change the instructions here in the base prompt. Now let me scroll down here and show you the tools. You can see these 2 tools connected here. Both these tools are APIs from People Data Labs. I've configured these tools myself by adding my own People Data Labs API key. Let me show you the logic behind it. Here you can see that this gambit connects to 2 different People Data Labs tools. Let me give you some background about People Data Labs. It is a powerful API that can research people and companies via LinkedIn. The APIs and tools used in this workflow are completely free, so you can just sign up to People Data Labs yourself and get your free API key from the dashboard. Then you need to configure the tools by adding your own API key. Now I've made these 2 tools as custom tools. To add a custom tool on TARS, you just need to go to the tools section from here. Then go to all tools and click on create a new tool. Here you just need to give your tool a unique name and description, add a schema to make the tool work, which is something you can generate from ChatGPT, and add your own API key from People Data Labs in the authorization section. I'm just telling you these steps as a fallback because soon we'll be offering a built-in People Data Labs tool, so you can just add your API key directly and not have to generate a schema or anything. Let's go back to the workflow. We were talking about how these 2 tools work. First, the People Data Labs version 3 tool is for individual research. You can see 3 subtools here, but the main subtool is this one, Enrich Person. This subtool uses the Enrich Person API from People Data Labs to help the AI gather information about the person, such as the professional background. Second, the PDL Company Search tool is for organizational intelligence. This uses Enrich Company to research the person's current company extensively. Like I said before, currently this uses custom tool integrations, but we'll be releasing ready-made People Data Labs tools soon, so configuring this workflow will get easier for you. Using these 2 tools, the agent automatically handles API calls, data parsing, and intelligence synthesis. You've already seen the current comprehensive output format, but you can customize it entirely based on your requirements by just changing the instructions of the base prompt. After generating the comprehensive report, the next gambit handles the email delivery. This AI agent gambit connects to Gmail for automatic report delivery and distribution. First, it gives these structured and non-AI generated messages seeking permission from the user to send the research report to their inbox. It also has this additional message to encourage the user to connect their inbox, because if you skip this step, you won't get that report. Let me show you quickly how to connect your Gmail. All you need to do is click on the Gmail gambit. Mine is already connected here, so you can see the connected button here. But to connect your own account, click on this drop down menu at the top. Here, under Add New Gmail Tool, click on Add Tool and this window will pop up. You will just have to authorize and sign into your Gmail after you click Connect. Now let's go back to the workflow. We were talking about the AI agent that handles email delivery. Again, this AI is also controlled by the prompt, which tells it how to behave. Let's take a look at the prompt. It is specifically designed for easy automation and email formatting. First, it uses one of the many Gmail subtools to retrieve the connected Gmail address. Then it references the report that was generated. It extracts person and company names for intelligent subject line creation. The email formatting removes Markdown and converts to proper HTML structure, which is suitable for emails. It creates clear sections with professional presentation and proper spacing. Once sent, it confirms delivery with the user's email address. But this is also something you can customize. You can change which email address it sends the report to. It will go from your own inbox, but it can land in someone else's inboxes too, like your sales or marketing teams. You can change how it generates subject lines, whether you want different formatting, or you can even make it automatically change the label of the email once it reaches your inbox. Now, I would really recommend that you check out all the Gmail subtools available here in the Gmail tool to see all the different actions that this workflow can automate for you. There are approximately 21 different types of actions that the AI can perform. Sending you an email is just one of them. But if you are changing this, just keep in mind that you also need to change the base prompt to tell the AI how to use the tool or the subtool to perform any action. And finally, this last step or gambit just offers buttons for the user to restart the conversation. You can see how the bottom socket here goes all the way to the top of the workflow. Lastly, let me just quickly show you how the connections work here. You can just drag and drop connections between different steps or gambits like this. Just drag and connect. Tool gambits, which are these gray ones, are little different. You need to drag and connect them from the top here to the side of any AI agent gambit that is going to use that tool. And there you have it, the lead researcher and enricher that transforms LinkedIn URLs into comprehensive intelligent reports that are delivered straight to your inbox. What used to take hours of manual research now happens in minutes. This streamlined workflow makes it incredibly easy to use, while the sophisticated AI research engine ensures you get actionable insights every time. This agent is available right now when you click on the link in the description. You can start researching leads immediately after connecting People Data Labs and Gmail. Remember, you will need to configure these two tools to make it fully functional, so keep this video guide handy to walk you through everything step by step. If you found this technical walkthrough valuable, please like and subscribe for more AI automation deep dives. And if you customize this template for your specific use case, drop a comment below. I would love to see what you've built. Now go turn every LinkedIn profile into a comprehensive research advantage. Thanks for watching and happy automating.